Come test drive the 2017 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, braking assist, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, cruise control, multifunction display, cargo area light. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.